Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Tuesday. Today in this video, let's learn about how to apply for a job on Upwork. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Upwork. Make sure you are logged into it. Now choose the job you'd like to get. So let's go for this one and simply click on apply now over here. Now we need to submit a proposal here. We need to study the job details properly and make sure you choose how you would like to get paid. If you want it by milestone, you need to add all of description and due dates and amount here, and you can set the duration of the project as well. Now this is the important part. We need to add a cover letter as well for the job, and if you have got any recent experiences about similar projects, you can add it here. And if you want to add more about a typical design process and methods, you can go on this page. And if you have got some attachments about the related project, you can add it here. And you can highlight your profile, and if you want to boost your proposal, you can go on this next steps as well. You can create and set a bid here, and you can simply click on send for the connects here, and finally you will apply for the job. So that is all we can do to apply for a job on Upwork. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.